Driver, 1 minute. Adanne. They horrible. They hage kwaskabo lobu hemmering. You don't pick my calls. You don't reply my messages. You don't even call back. Adanne pasakwani ishi. Pasakwani ishi abia from town pasage ku hembra mbe lo alo. Pasishi they horrible.
Hold on. What is it you call yourself again?
Mavin.
Oh, that's fine. Listen, love comes with friendship, and love also comes with feelings. As a matter of fact, it all starts from the heart. I do not have any connection with you whatsoever. I don't feel anything for you. I cannot love you. Don't you get it?
I don't have one of her. Pasakwani ishi have one swag. I made money.
God. You don't get it, right? I am not interested. Do you want me to say them in... I don't get it. How else do you want me to say them? I don't want you. Don't you get it?
I don't have one. Come to Paniku. Daka gauge up Ashamana, they hobble. Get down.
Fine. Wait, hold on. You see, I am not surprised. I should get down from your car, right? Now let me tell you something. I do not want to see you ever again. And if I ever find your tacky little smelling black ass anywhere close to me again, I swear in God's name I'm gonna do something very, very nasty. You've got forsaken fool.
Driver, let's get up from here. I'm going for.
Mama. Hi. Oh, Malichan. Hi. Hi.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama. No. Ineje.
Yes, Mama. Mama, I brought firewood for you.
Hi. No, Maya. No. This one that you have done again. Just tell me, a man in his right senses that will not want to have you as a wife. We're good doing. My God will bless you.
Hey, Mama, you don't have to thank me. I see it as my duty to help you with your domestic work. Oh?
Thank you.
Che, how is your head?
My health is fine.
How can you
Malaria. Malaria.
Oh, mosquito. It's everywhere. Check on it. She mosquito bites.
I don't you ever get tired of attending to me? What a clear.
Mommy, anything for you. You know you are my Ekene.
It's only you have told Ekene that nobody should not look at any other woman. No.
Mommy, Tisi.
Beauty, come back here. Stop there, Beauty.
Now what?
Beauty, what gave you the guts to talk to Marvin the way you did today?
Oh, he actually reported me to you. He should have equally told you what he said to me. Mother, can we just stop talking about Maven? I don't have that strength now, please.
Beauty, that young man loves you so much. And he is ready to do anything for you. Just give him a chance, please.
You know, when you talk about love, you don't know anything about Maven. So stop talking about him and love, because that guy cannot love a woman. He does not even know how to love a woman. He is hard, like a hardener. Yes, that's how hard he is. Mom, listen to me. Not just only that he's hard, He has this very arrogant and despicable attitude. I cannot stand him. I can't.
Beautiful. You are just a little girl. What is wrong with this girl?
You said it all.
I told you now. I told you, but you never believed me.
Yeah,
It's
always like that in this village.
Yeah, I go.
What was that? See my see my love.
Yeah.
See.
Hey, will tell him. Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, will tell him.
Is that girl? Is she not beautiful?
Hey.
Is she not fine?
Okay. It is only someone that is blind that cannot behold a good thing. To me, Norma is beautiful.
So I made the right choice, eh? Never. Hey.
Nema,
how is you?
I'm fine.
You are fine?
Yes.
Can I? Let me give both of you a chance.
Yes, get out. Where have you been? I've been in your house helping your mother with domestic works. Where did you go and nobody saw you anywhere? What's funny? Why are you laughing?
Nothing, no. It's the same thing that kept me at your place. I was helping your mother with some of her domestic work.
Are you serious? Eh? Hi. Mamo. Ezibo mamo. Baby. You see why I love you? Eh? You see why I will keep loving you? Okay, let me use this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for always being there for my mom. And ever since you've been helping my mom with all these jobs, she doesn't say any other thing else. Everything she's talking about is no. Eh?
Baby, just stop. Eh? I've told you to stop thanking me for anything I do for your mother. I see it as a duty I owe her.
Oh, Chai. Hey, oh, Chubu. God, I thank you for giving me this kind of person. Eh? Why would I love you till I die? Eh? Why would I love you? See? Nemo.
Just go, eh? I helped her to prepare your delicious olubus.
It's a lie.
Honestly.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Imano Tego Ofa Agobam.
Yeah.
Ofu Olubu. My favorite. And now you're the one that prepared it for me.
Yes.
Let me go. Eh? You two come and go. I know you must be very tired.
Yes, I am.
But you know what? I'll come later in the evening and come and see you.
Come to the house. Where?
Yes, now. I'll come now. I'll come. Yes, just go. Go ahead.
Okay. I'm going to let you. Oh, Chogo could I have with them? Can't woman mother. Eh, woman mother. Bye bye.
You Tom.
I forget joke. Forget joke. This girl loves you.
Eh?
She loves you.
Okay.
I overheard everything she said. I heard everything.
Lema.
Okay.
So I will be here talking with Obi Tom, and you will be there listening to what myself and my Omalicha is talking about. Eh? What is your business in what you are saying?
Okay.
Did you hear Nema in the I love you I told her? Go and look for your own love. Oh.
It is to tell you that my ear is like electric ball. Eh? Come to why I not go listen? Why won't I listen?
Okay. Electric. If your ear likes, let it be like that of electric pole. Don't electric that pole reach where my girlfriend is.
Wait. On a most roast note. Marry that girl. Marry how?
Yes, now.
You see that Norma? Norma. I have never come across to any girl like that in my entire life that I can compare her with. I have never.
Nema.
Akane?
Nama. Nama.
Atoro. Akane?
Okay. I'm suspecting you.
Suspecting me? Why? What for?
I'm suspecting you.
Onto what?
Okay, if we all this movement you're moving in this village, jumping up and down, I don't know where you're getting your ideas from. Eh? Let me not see you near that girl. Oh.
Story for the gods. Story for the gods. You don't marry him?
Okay.
Have you paid for her bride price?
Oh.
You know, go to.
Okay.
One
two, no problem. But I've told you my mind. Eh? Get out. I'm going, before lest I forget. Let me go back home now. She said she prepared a sweet fugu with soup. So let me go home now.
No, not let you. Let us go home. I'm coming right behind you.
Don't you know road to your place?
Huh? What are friends for?
Okay.
A friend indeed is a friend in need.
I have this friend you.
No, it's not. But my phone. Huh? I'll go get an answer. I'm a go for Nubo. I am right behind you, Ekene.
Who's that guy? I always see him pass through this way. Who is he?
You mean Ekene?
Is that his name?
He's from this Umode, our neighboring village. His mother is that woman that says Akara under that big archie tree.
Wow. He is so handsome and very hardworking as well. Look, just look at...
If you come to hardworking, count him on that. He is very hardworking. In fact, the guy is good. Very okay.
His mother should be very proud of him because it is rare to see a man who is this handsome yet very hardworking. Whoa, I like him. I do, seriously.
That is exactly what singles him out of his peers. Not even only you. Everybody in this village likes him. You know? Beauty.
What do you say is the name of his village again?
It's from Umode, our village. Beauty.
Oh, let's go.
Excuse me, Beauty.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Is anyone here?
Oh, Mali Cham.
Yes, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Hey. Did you see my son?
No.
But he just greeted me and told me he was coming to your house.
Okay, maybe he followed the Amoguma.
Okay, hey, yeah. Nice one.
Mama.
Give me pause. Hey.
Yes,
Give me kiss Kwanka. Chekwa, Opa. Opa Kisilum.
Yes, Mama.
Nindi big man. Hey. No, my God will bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
When that's your heart desire, He will grant it.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, let me be on my way.
So soon? Are you not going to spend some time with me?
Since you said that Kenneth has gone to my place, let me go.
All right, my dear. Don't talk to anybody on the road.
No, Mama.
All these men or boys that do their eyes, fiam. Don't look at them.
I'm for Kenneth, Mama. Bye-bye.
Oh, Malicham. Hey! Who wouldn't want this beautiful girl as a wife and a daughter-in-law? She has not entered as my own daughter-in-law and she's taking care of me. Everything about me, like this. That thing that will make you not to marry this girl, you must marry her. She's your wife. So that can be eating okwa and other things.
You're here, and I've been at your place waiting for your return.
Ego, what is it?
Beauty. This is unlike you.
Ego, is a kennel. I don't even know what's happening to me again. Look, I like that boy. Hey. I like him.
Are you okay? How can you allow such thoughts to consume your mindset? When you know that guy is nothing. It doesn't even match you in anything. Beauty.
I know.
You know, then why are you thinking about it?
Ego, I like that boy. I don't know. I can't even help myself. I like him. Listen, I don't know exactly. See, I'm actually waiting here for him. I'm waiting to see if he'll pass by so I can tell him how I feel.
Jesus. Hey! My friend is losing it though. You mean you're actually sitting here waiting for a boy to pass? So you stop him and tell him what? Tell him you love him. That's right! That smelling thing, Beauty!
Go, stop it now. Don't call him names. Listen. See, there are so many things about that boy that you don't see. He's wise, he's intelligent, he's handsome, he's hardworking, and wise.
Beauty, that cannot be enough reason for you to go for a man yourself. It will make you look cheap. Not only that, if he fails to grant your wish, he will tell his friends that one alone is capable of killing your image.
That's true, but what should I do now? Because I truly do love him.
Relax.
Okay?
Calm down. Everything will be alright. Just come and accompany me to the market. Please. Instead of you to sit down here, think about a guy. You'll kill yourself. Please, let's go.
No, I want
you can't do that to yourself. Let's go. Don't do this. Stand up. Let's go. You can't do this to yourself. Look at you, Beauty. You're not doing good to yourself. Let's go. Let's go. Look at
you. Norma.
Mama.
You know that you are a grown girl now.
Yes.
And you are very beautiful. You see, you look exactly like me when I was at your age.
Hey. Mama.
And I know that many men will begin to come around you. You have to be very careful. Because these men can be so crafty. Don't allow any of them to have carnal knowledge of you. You have to be very, very careful. Okay. Be careful.
Okay. Mama, tell me, how did you meet Papa?
Norma, the long and short of that story is that I and your father met each other, liked ourselves. Your father was always coming around, not to know how I was doing. But one thing I never allowed him to do was to see my laps. Until he came and met my parents, paid my bride price according to our custom and tradition, married me properly. After he had married me, is when I opened my leg for him to see it. And I now took him. Got pregnant for you and your brother.
Mama, but tell me, how will you know one that loves you?
No, you know that love comes in different forms. But one thing I know for certain is that if a man loves you, he will never be so interested in having a carnal knowledge of you before he possesses you. You not like to be touching you or tell you, let's go to the bush, I got issue, I touch you. No. A man that loves you
we will be protecting you. No, but you tell him regularly, so we got you the limit. We like to help you in every way because we want to have you as his wife. You see, don't even allow them to touch you. If you see a man that want to touch you, run. Because if they touch you, they dream.
Mama touch, like just like this.
This way you touch me now. You make it this. Hey, don't allow it.
I'm not allowing any man to touch me.
You come home. Because they are mischievous.
I am a Pasakwano. Eh? Pasakwano, why are you being so difficult on me?
The last time I saw you, I told you never to come anywhere close to me again, didn't I? Yeah, I did. So what in God's name are you doing here? Listen to me. I don't want you. I have said it times without number. I am not interested in whatsoever it is you've come to do. Relationship, friendship, marriage, or whatever it is, I am not interested.
Look at you. You're not even happy. A custom officer like me, asking for your hand in marriage, and you are here terroring. Do you know how many containers I've seized?
Oh, God bless my soul. Really? Like, really? Now you listen to me, young man. You will get into this godforsaken truck you call a car, and you will take your tacky-smelling custom officer wannabe self out of my compound. Now, get out!
Really?
Yes, really. Are you surprised? Oh no, you shouldn't be, because you don't even need further explanations. I have said it. I have said it point blank. I don't want you.
Alright, it's alright. I will leave you.
Please do!
I will leave you.
Oh, thank Jesus. He's finally going to use his head.
I will seize your mother's container.
Ah! Really? You think you can do that? Get out!
All right.
Do whatever. You cannot do more than a fool. That's who you are. Get out! Get this truck out of my compound now!
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. And I give you my heart, 'cause I think you will understand. Oh, if I got not love, where it goes, yeah,
Mama. Yes, Mama. You see what is going on between you and Tinama?
Yes, Mama.
That was exactly how your father and I started. The way Norma was attending to me was exactly the way I was attending to my mother-in-law, your grandmother. I was washing her clothes, sweeping, cleaning. My mother-in-law, if she doesn't see me in a day, hey, trouble. Yeah. She loved me so much that she compelled your father to, that either he marries me or nothing. And your father has no choice but to marry me. Yeah. And we became happily married ever.
Mama. Well, that's nice, though. And I'm sure you were very beautiful that time. Yeah, that's so nice.
My son, please, I would like you to do exactly what your father did by marrying me. Yes, I want you to marry Norma. She's a good girl.
Eh? Mama, so you like Norma that much?
Hey! You need to see when she comes to visit when you are not around. I dance for her. Eh? I praise her. Hey!
Mama, come like you.
Uchem there.
Yeah, no check it there.
Yeah.
So, which means I made the right decision then.
Of course, my son. Uchem there. Ah! Pretty girl. It's Mama.
Mama, well, let's just pray for the will of God to happen.
Okay.
That's just it.
I'll be happy if you do.
And I will make you proud.
No, thank you, Mom. Oh, thank you.
Hi.
Yes.
My name is Beauty.
Yes.
And I like you.
Thank you. Hello.
No, I'm not finished yet. You know, I want to be your friend.
I don't keep friends with people I don't know. Yeah?
No, you don't get it. See, listen, I don't mean any harm. I'm not going to hurt you in any way. I just like you. I like you so much. I want us to be friends. That's all.
Oh, okay. But Maro, maybe I don't know what you mean. Man, I'm not that kind of person. I don't just go around and go about keeping friends.
I beg you, I can't have you calm me down.
I know.
You don't get it.
Yes, it's when you will come. Women are stupid. You will not understand. Do you know this girl blocked me on my way? As I was going, she jumped out. I like you. I want us to be friends. With all seriousness in her face.
And what did you tell her?
No, law. Will you not stand up and know what I will tell her? You will know what. Will you expect me to tell her yes? I cannot tell her yes, and you know me. You know my kind of person.
You are a nobody. Oh yes, Ekene, you are a nobody. Let me tell you, for you to have turned this girl down means that you should go and examine yourself very well if your manhood is still intact. Any man with his right senses should have at least 5 girlfriends, whether the man is married or he is still single.
And that is why they are dying one by one and killing themselves gradually these days. Yes! Look at what you are vomiting from your mouth. How can a man, a full-fledged man, have 5 girlfriends and still survive it? Eh? Listen, let me tell you, I'm not in that league. Yes. There is nothing in this life a woman can do for me that Norma cannot do for me.
You lie, Ekene. You lie. Let me tell you, there are many things Norma cannot do for you as she is. If I'm lying, quote me wrong. Tell me if I'm lying.
Nama. Sorry. Nema. What are you trying to say? What is your conclusion now? What advice as a friend do you want to give to me?
Ekene, what I'm trying to say is, accept this girl. Accept her since she said it's just for friendship. Accept her.
Nema, I cannot. I cannot accept her because I don't want to double date.
Nobody is asking you to double date. Just accept this girl as your friend.
And throw away Norma.
No! It will not hinder you from seeing Norma or having anything to do with her.
Okay.
You wanna go?
5 girlfriends.
But wait, let me ask you. Did you say that girl approached you herself?
She approached me by herself.
Hey!
How can a full-fledged woman,
Okay.
approach a man and a man abunu? I like you, I want to marry you. And you expect me to accept her and throw away the love of my life.
Okay? That girl, she get mind and liver.
Ah.
She get mind and liver. But is she okay? Does she have front and back? You wanna go get it? That is what attracts us.
Yes,
women.
yes. If you will try and find out yourself. Approach her, find out, because I didn't look at it. I didn't check. It wasn't my interest. She's not finer and better than my number.
But the truth is that it's you that she won, not me.
If you try, you will push for that.
She wants you. She wants you and not me. Okay.
Now that you finally did that which I asked you not to do, what happened? Is the news not everywhere? Haven't you heard about it?
Ego, I am human. I have blood flowing in my veins. I couldn't help it. I couldn't endure it. I love this guy.
But this guy is in love with someone else. Can't you see?
It doesn't matter. That doesn't matter to me. All that matters to me is for him to see reasons with me. That's all.
If I were you, I'll forget everything about this guy. I'll forget everything about him, forget about what matters to him or not.
Yeah, it's easier said than done. I don't even expect you to understand. Listen, this is how I feel. This is how I feel inside. I'm not just saying it.
If I look at you and remember whom you're dying for, still remember he turned you down, I begin to laugh. What is it that is in that guy that will move me, Ego? Not to talk of a girl of your stand. Your dad made the cash for you and your mom before he died. What is it that you want from that daft? If telling me you're dying for the son of a prominent politician's son, I would say, go ahead, beauty. But not to that smelling pig.
Stop it. I won't have you call him names. I told you that before.
But that is exactly the truth of the definition of what it is.
Now that's it. Hold it, like right there. You mind coming inside?
Beauty, I'm just telling you nothing but the truth.
Come on, Mom. Go to the backyard, and pluck double yellow leaves. Squeeze them for me and bring them for me to drink. Oh.
Mama, nothing will happen to you, yeah?
Okay.
Please, take care of her, please, and come.
Mama, sorry, nothing will happen to you. Can I just hurry up?
Oh God! Oh, my mother! What will I do? What will I do? What will I do? What will I do? What will I do?
Why are you crying?
My mother is dying. I know my mother. That woman is dying. She's not feeling fine. She's dying. Hey.
Obim, but isn't it enough reason why you should come out here and start crying like women? Eh? Have you given her the double air of water?
that Dogoyaro thing, I think it will not work. She talked about it. But my mind is telling me that her case is very serious. It's not what Dogoyaro will cure. Eh? It's not what Dogoyaro... My mother needs a proper medical attention. Eh? She needs I don't want to lose that woman. I don't want to lose her. She's my life. She's everything. How can I just lose her? I need to take her to the hospital for proper medical check-up, proper medical care. But how will I take her to the hospital when there is nobody?
Okay.
I don't even have money to take her to the hospital.
It's okay. Just watch it. Yeah? It's okay.
Hey.
Okay. Let me go and see if I can borrow money from my friend Chioma.
Huh?
Yes.
Will you do that for me?
Yes, okay. Let me go to her shop.
Okay. Okay.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see you.
God bless.
Doesn't mean you're the one for me. Time will tell. But please, take it easy with my heart. 'Cause my heart is so gentle and nice.
Okay.
I don't want to bleed no more. I don't want to bleed no more. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh.
This time, put some water.
Yeah.
I need to buy.
Every night
what is it? Someone close
when I close my eyes, I see you.
How do I call me? If it's all about money, I don't have money.
Hey.
Chioma, Biko, Biko, you're not doing it for me. You're doing it for God. See, and I know He will definitely bless you. Oh, please, I promise to pay you back next week. I swear. It will pass next week, Biko.
So how much are we talking about?
Please, it's 5,000 naira. Oh, Biko, help me. Oh.
You promised me next week. Oh.
I promise.
Next week.
Yes.
And I'm doing it because of you. Do not disappoint me by next week.
I promise to pay you next week. It will not pass next week. Biko, please die, Biko. Oh, okay.
I'm coming. Thank you.
See, thank you. Thank you very much. I promise to pay you next week. I promise I will not pay you.
Next week.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Chioma, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine. How is Mama?
Mama is fine. Mama is recovering. She's getting better. Yes.
So what did the doctor say about the child?
Well, the doctor said she'll be discharged tomorrow morning. So I had to rush down to come and pick these clothes that she will change into.
Okay. I bought you some.
Hey! Yeah. Mama Chan. Hey.
You're taking the clothes to Mama?
Yes.
Hey, whoa.
Hey, Zieno, I was even thinking of preparing something, looking for what I'll prepare for Mama to eat. I didn't know you were bringing food. God will bless you.
Obi, I've told you, stop thanking me. Of course I should do it. If not for anything, for the love I have for both of you. Remember, she's also my mother.
Hi. Oh, before. Come on, you're going to talk too much.
Yeah.
I love you.
Let's go to the hospital and see Mama. You're here, give me.
That's true. Let's go.
Obi, you don't know how to do anything.
That's why you're here now. Help me and do it.
Yeah. So, from what I see so far, I think you're educated. And you're wise as well.
You can say that again.
Okay, so back to what I wanted to tell you. I love your friend Dikeh so much.
Okay.
But he has refused to see that. So, I want you to please help me and talk to him. I want you to tell him that I love him so much and that I want to be his friend.
Okay. Just like that? As in, just like that without anything? You mean I should tell Ekene that you love him? I should go and tell him? Ah, beauty. Eh? Don't you know that when you want to cultivate on a farmland, you have to first of all till the ground and sow your seed. Then relax and wait for it to germinate. Let me tell you, I am now like a ground and you have tilled me. So sow your seed of faith and wait for me to germinate, beauty. Can you feel about the agua? Is this gonna promo?
Okay, that's fine, that's fine. You're so funny.
You.
Okay, let me ask. Are you sure you can get his attention for me?
Attention. I can do that for you depending on how much you pay. Let me tell you. Yeah? If you pay big, you will get his all love and attention all to yourself. But if you pay small, I'm sorry, you will get small portion. Or let me say, some portion of his love.
Oh, I like the sound of that. I like it.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, Olomo, to your long. Huh?
Okay, this should be about 50,000.
Huh?
And promise me you do a good job.
I am not only promising you beauty. You see? With this, Ekene is all yours. Ekene is all yours from head to toe.
Really?
Yes, everything. Even the one he has for that girl, everything will be yours.
Wow.
Even Ekene, you see? What else are we talking about? We are together. Huh?
Okay, let me tell you that Mom will be coming.
Okay.
As soon as I start seeing results.
Okay.
You trust me, don't you?
I trust you. I trust everything you're saying.
Okay.
That's
fine.
Okay.
So, thank you very much.
Oh, mention it.
And I'll be on my way now.
No problem. No problem.
You.
Beauty.
Funny.
Oh. Don't worry. Before you close your eyes and open it, you will see a can.
That's a deal.
Oh, Biamia. Oh, Biamaka, no. A waka kitchen, can. No need of counting. The money is too big.
Mother, you slapped me. Oh, I will slap you again if that is the only language you could understand. How dare you? What is wrong with you? Have you no brains? Eh? How can you stoop so low as to ask for a commoner's hand in friendship?
Mother, that commoner, like you rightly called him, is the one that pleases me. He is the one that I love. Mom, can you just allow me to follow the rhythm of my heart?
Oh, that rhythm of your heart will cause you tears if you don't take your time. What do you even think about love? What do you know about love? How can a woman like you approach a man? A man that is not even worth it. Beauty, beauty, how many times did I call you? You are making me to shout and I don't like it. Be warned.
Mom, you slapped me. You slapped me. Is that the only way to advise your own daughter?
Yes, I will slap you again. I will slap you again like I said before. How can a woman like you approach a man? You are a young woman, my daughter. You don't have to approach a man. A man who doesn't even want it. Beauty, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like it one bit.
Well, Mother, that young man is the one that pleases me. And there is nothing you or anyone else can do or say that will convince me otherwise.
It's all right. Go ahead loving him. I won't try to stop you again. But I will tell you one thing. When the time comes, I will know between you and I who gave birth to each other. Nonsense.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. Oh, be well, oh, be well.
I want you to know that the love I have for you is so precious that not even poverty and challenges of life can change it. Though I might not have money, though I might not be as rich as others, please, I want you to stay with me. I want you to always love me in sickness and in health. Please.
My love, I promise you this day to love you with everything in me, my body, my soul. I would say you're the reason why I've been created. Without you in my life, I'm incomplete. Promise me you will never leave me for another.
Promise.
Promise.
Yes. This day I promise I will always love you. I will not share my love with any other person till I die.
I promise to love you too.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see you.
Hello.
Doesn't mean
Hey.
you're the one for me.
Hi.
Time will tell.
I'm calling you. How are you? Oh, okay, that's fine. Who is it to you?
Who?
The guy you were standing with.
Oh. Ekene?
Yeah, that's him.
He's my friend. Is there any problem?
No, not at all. No problems. Listen, I want him to be my friend as well. I like him. He's loving, he's charming, he's everything a woman can think of. I like him. I like it. No! You're getting it twisted. I don't mean any harm. Listen, I just want him to be my friend. Is that too much to ask for?
Hey, come. I can see you don't have any reasonable thing to do. At least you can help yourself with some work.
Okay,
Hey.
that's fine. I think you're not in a good mood to talk, but I'll just go after what I want. Thank you, by the way.
Norma, like I said before, you are not another person to me. In fact, as a matter of fact, you are like a sister to me. And if I see evil coming to you and I didn't stop it, that means I am not a good person. You might even tag me Neymar, the bad man. I cannot see evil befall you and I will keep quiet.
It's true.
See, I want you to mind the way you laugh with Ekene. Oh yes. Minimize it. Minimize it. Ekene is my friend and I can say lots about him. Let me tell you, he doesn't love you. Oh yes. He is only deceiving you. Not even an atom of love for you. As a matter of fact, he has a girl whom he loves and cherishes so much. He's even planning to, he wants to marry the girl if the opportunity calls for that.
What?
Are you surprised? My dear, you don't have to be. Don't be surprised. Eh? All I want from you is to open your eyes. Shine your eyes. And very soon, you will find out the truth. You will find out the truth and nothing but the truth. Huh? I'll be on my way now. Don't say I didn't tell you, because I told you. Huh? Okay. I told you, no, I told you. Huh?
In love with another woman. Hey, it's not possible. In this village, you can't argue, man. Let me help you that.
The one I will give you now. You come and so nonsense. The one I gave to Sue yesterday is so nonsense.
At least I tried now.
Mama, good afternoon.
Hey, Ekene. No. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Chai, how is your mother now?
No.
Hey, no, bro. No.
Yes.
Hey, no.
Okay.
Come here.
Yes.
Chai.
What? What do you want here? Eh?
Norma, what have I done to you? Huh? If there is anything bad I did to you, tell me. I will apologize to you. Why are you doing this? Can you even Maggie?
Hey, please don't touch me. Nonsense.
Norma.
Ekene, why are you chasing shadows when there are many chances of good opportunities lined up for you to grab? Why?
How do you mean?
Okay. Ekene, it is time for you to open your eyes. Open your eyes and see reasons with me. You wanna go? Kedeka afudu bebe mmadụ na-anọ na mmiri ọfụfụ nta abanye ya n'anya. Mana afugo m ka o si na-abagị n'anya ugbu a. A man never makes math with poverty on his pocket. See, a man is worth a complete man if only that which makes him a man is there for him. And you know what I'm talking about. Money! Ego!
Nema, I still don't understand where you're driving to. Why don't you just come out clearer so at least I can understand you? You're getting me confused. Confused. What has him?
Hey, Wolomo to your long. Hey, Wolomo to your long. Okay, let me ask you this question. What can Norma give to you? Just be free. You're a man like me. Tell me, what can she help you to achieve in this your miserable life? Because me looking at you, your life is miserable. Look, my guy. Wise people are the only people who knows how to utilize their opportunities when it comes to them. Opportunity na ozo gi na akuru aka bom iju me hozo. If I were you, I will forget everything about Norma completely and move on with this girl, Beauty. Guy, this girl really loves you and never ready to change your life for good. All she needs from you is to accept her into your life. That's all. That is all she wants from you. Hey.
Okay. Nema. Kedonye kwurugo ụgwọ a. Ijikwu uche gị. Yeah? How much were you paid? And who paid you to come and say this? No, answer me. Because I know you, Nema. I know you. Nema will never in his life say anything negative about myself and Nneoma. That's the truth. But see what you're saying now. The girl loves me. One day, I don't love that girl. I don't love her one bit. Even small love. I don't love her. I don't even want to see her anywhere around me. The only person I want in my life now is Nneoma.
Okay. You lie! Let me tell you. You have everything to do with this girl, Beauty. At least, if not for any other thing, for the sake of her money. For the sake of her money. She has a car. Oh boy, we need to get this money from this girl.
If she likes, let her have a aeroplane. If she likes, let her people have mansion everywhere in this country. I don't care. See, I love my Nneoma and I am contented with it. Listen, better go back and tell her I am not interested. I am contented the way I am. I'm fine.
See package, you know. But just imagine, listen to yourself. Let me tell you, if this is a joke, better stop it. Better stop it and play this game. Play this game, my friend.
You know why I thank God? Why I thank God is that you're a man. Complete man. If you love her, it's not a crime. Go and love her, play the game, eat the money alone. I don't want. Everybody's using a pass, a possible weapons rubbish. Once.
How does it go? You're not cheap here. You are packaging. When you know you have nothing in your pocket. It's okay.
Okay. What happened? You don't used to come to my house the way you used to anymore. Even the place we normally meet, you don't come there anymore. Did I offend you? Did I do anything wrong? What is happening? It's me. What is happening?
Ekene, nothing is happening. Bikonaba, just go. You don't want to go, I stay here. Ebe, don't touch me.
No, please come now. Okay, I'm sorry. Whatever it is, I'm sorry. Hey. Did I do anything wrong? Why should... Norma, please now. Please now.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see you. Doesn't mean you're the one for me. Time will tell. But please take it easy with my heart.
Because my who is here? Is so gentle. No, big one.
Nice.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your friend just told me that he wants to go and see his friend.
No, my guess.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
No, okay. I'll check the one. Thank you.
Mama, are you not seeing what I'm saying?
What is it?
Mama, are you not seeing that your son Ekene is trying to enslave his dream?
What was it?
His future with that thing called Norma. Okay.
How?
Give me a minute. This is 50,000 naira.
Hey.
A girl gave it to me and said I should give it to your son Ekene because she loves him. But do you know what your son did? Ekene, your son, bluntly rejected it. He said he can never accept it. That the only girl he wants to spend the rest of his life with is Norma.
Chekodo, how much do you say that money is?
Mama, 50,000.
50,000 naira.
50,000 naira.
Ekene rejected 50,000 naira because of Norma.
It doesn't end there. He said he'd rather die in poverty, loving Norma, than to love someone who is ever ready to wash away the fume of wretchedness from his body.
Just give me that money. Ekene must be very, very stupid to reject this huge amount of money because of Norma. Oya was in Norma. Where is she from? What does she do? Norma bukane bukunisa agali now. Is that what I want? Please, just tell that girl that I, Ekene's mother, have accepted her. That's wholeheartedly from my heart. I have accepted her. As a matter of fact, that she should come and see me.
That's the spirit. Mama, you will like this girl.
Is okay.
Oh yes. She's a graduate and very intelligent.
Yeah. You see it? This is exactly the kind of daughter-in-law that I want. A girl that is educated and that will be helping me financially. Oh, no. Like I said, I told them the bunkonisi. Nailusini. If I called it. Ugly girl. Nonsense.
Let me tell you. This girl equally said that if your son Ekene can accept to marry her, that she wouldn't mind making papers for him to travel abroad.
She said that also.
She said it. Obodo
Truth to God, Norma or whatever thing her name is called in this company again, I will eat her alive. Tell her to come and see me.
Okay.
That I will have accepted her. Let her come. The whole thing are in my hand. Oh, see, I know more Sobu. Norma Jajebe. I will send her out from my house immediately. You want to go?
Let me run along.
You know, I don't with the money. Give me the money.
Look, Mama, the money is meant for your son Ekene, not you.
But Ekene does not want the money. I want the money.
When I see him, I will give it to him.
Give the money to me.
It's not possible.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know, just go mbute. Yeah, na chele ko mona chuku. Oga mamekwa.
But I'm not sure of the money. I would rather go and face the one I want.
Biko, I am tired of talking. I don't know what Beauty says where that poor wretched brat is. Now, could you imagine that Beauty went to my account and withdrew the sum of 350,000 naira with my ATM card? What she did with that money is what I don't know. Please, Nai, help me ask Beauty what her problem is and why she has chosen to disgrace me to this extent.
Neka,
Nai.
You want me to talk to your daughter, Beauty? Why would she not refuse to hear what you're saying? Since you refused to give me that thing, what I've been demanding from you. What I know is my right since the death of my brother, and you are depriving me of it. Okay, now you are here. Are you ready to give me that thing that I've been demanding from you?
Over my dead body.
I see. Now I see that you've refused to give it to me. I think it's better you go to those people that those people that you give it to. go and complain about your daughter to them.
Nine. Stop saying all these things and be serious for once. I came here to report to you the bad behavior of your late brother's daughter. And you're here telling me a different thing. Don't you have conscience?
Hey! Oh, conscience. Which conscience are you talking about? Or are you trying to tell me that those people you that they don't have conscience? Are you trying to tell me also that ever since the death of my brother that you've not done it with any other person? Tell me, Neka. Eh? I don't know whether you are taking me to be a fool. Only know when I will let her know. But come on. Please. Wait. I don't know whether what I think you now discuss is what concerns two of us. I think that is what we will sit to discuss. The thing that concerns two of us, and not about your daughter Beauty. Are you ready to give me that thing?
Give you what? You see this? I'd rather die than to allow you to have a taste of it. I don't believe it. Because of somebody I came to discuss an important matter to. You're here telling me a different thing. I don't even know why I came to report to you in the first place.
Hey! Oh, I will remain longer. Since you are working out on me, Eme, about your sago my Uba and Koji do Arogoro. Oh, him when Gagwagan. Kuba Jedo Arogoro. No problem.
Akana. Yo. Were you given an offer of money by a girl which you rejected?
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Why? Makagini? Is it because of Noma?
Exactly, Mama.
Hey!
You know I love Noma so much. And I can't just start collecting money from somebody just like that. Because I want to remember Siabia. So I can't even pretend to love her.
Shut up your mouth! Michionu Kangwale. What can Noma do for you? You want to die chasing shadow? Eh? You want to die chasing shadows? Eh? Amarife? See, let me tell you. You will start from this very moment to nurture feelings in your heart for that girl. Look at you. What is wrong with you? Imakwefe, can't you see that God is about lifting this family up? God is bringing good things for us. Eh?
Mama, I should nurture something in my mind. But Mama, you surprised me. You surprised me, Mama. Mama, wait. Are you not the same person that said, if I don't marry Norma, that you will not be happy? Mama, is this not the same Norma that is toiling day and night, toiling, stressing herself to come here and take care of you? Is it not the same person you said that if I marry her, I will make you a fulfilled woman? Mama, don't tell me you have started falling in love with another person because of money. Somebody you don't know. Somebody you don't even know where she's coming from. Mama, where is your conscience?
I asked where is your own conscience. Where is your own conscience? You told him my fair. One no my fair. And let me tell you, a man that is without money is like a walking corpse. Untouchable. Let me tell you, the only reason Norma is still with you is because a rich man has not come for her. Once a rich man comes, Ebola iron balaka nwam. Bah. Embrace this good thing that is coming for us. If any line man. Huge amount of money that you're turning down. And I look at you and I wonder, what was going on?
Mama, no. Mama, my Norma would never leave me for another man. No matter how much that man has. I know my Norma. She loves me and I love her. She will never do that. Mama, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will not be part of this. Gene, Mama, it is same you that made me fall in love deeply with Norma because I wanted you to be happy. Now you want me to leave her in between. Mama, have you forgotten that somebody will be hurt? Somebody's feelings will be hurt. Do you care what I feel? Do you care what she feels if I leave her? Just because of someone who has a lot of money to throw about. That's why you want me to leave Norma? Mama, I will not do that.
You will be part of it. You are going to be part of it in the morning, afternoon, and night. You will be part of it. Eh? Take this offer and bring light into our home. Can make you correct like other women. Reject it and want a poverty. But I will not allow you. You will live in Norma, you must follow that girl. Give me that coifer. What are you talking about?
Nema. Thank God.
Again?
Thank God you're here.
I just choose to come and chill out here, you know?
I was just coming from your place.
I don't want what do I offer you?
I am not interested in your offer. I don't need your offer because you're not a friend. I am just coming from your house now and they said you went out. I was about going back before I saw you here.
I hope all is well.
I woke up this morning and I decided to come and see you to ask you just one question.
And what is it?
You see? You see the kind of friendship we have? It will not work for you. Let me ask you. Why would you have to conspire with my mother? My own mother. To make this difficult for myself and my mama.
Hey! Is that what you mean?
Yes, that's what I mean.
I can listen. There's nothing like that. You do that again. See, we are not trying to make things difficult for you and the normal. But rather we're trying to stop you from being a victim to an unending wretchedness. Don't you have brain? Listen, let me tell you. Women use what they have in between their two legs to get what they want. You are a man, for Christ's sake. Use that rod in between your own two legs and get what you want. Or are you trying to tell me that that rod is no longer active? If it's no longer active,
you're trying to remove me from unending poverty. I am gay. Did I tell you I am not satisfied the way I am? Hi, Nema. Nema, I am totally disappointed at you. I should have known your kind of person. Nema, I trusted you. I trusted you with my last drop. That to the extent that you know everything I do in this village. Everywhere I go with this girl, Nema. And you could do this kind of thing to me. Nema, I am disappointed.
Point of correction, Ekene. I did nothing wrong to you. I have done nothing wrong to you, Ekene. As a friend, I want the best for you.
You are not my friend.
I'm your friend, Ekene.
You are not my friend.
Look at you.
You are not. Because if you are my friend and you cherish our friendship, you trust our friendship, you will go back to my mother. The same way you poisoned her mind to hate Norma, you will go back to her and make her
Ekene, you lie.
Yes, you will do it.
You lie, Ekene.
I lie.
I can't do it.
You won't do it.
Ekene, I cannot do it.
You will not do it.
Look at you.
No problem.
Don't you have sense?
Let me tell you something. You see that girl Norma is the love of my life.
Okay.
And there is nothing you or anybody can do about it.
Oh.
Are you listening?
Okay.
I don't want to know. But you must go back to my mother and change that thing if you want us to remain friends.
Ekene. Mban Igbo on your mask net is pure. You get him come back on Chegi. You can't go looking at Goge. Jackie, you go bring me. Look at it. Here, I'm pushing up your hair. John, get it. Go bring me. I will not to you long. Oh, that is it, though.
Like I told you before, this is Beauty. The girl I have been telling you about.
Huh? She has been disturbing me that she wants to see you. Huh? So I have no other option than to bring her to you.
Hey,
hey. This is Mama.
Nema, you try.
Thank you, Mama.
Try to bring
Thank
her.
you. Thank you.
Nema, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you, Ma.
Actually, my son's friend had said so much about you. And I did not doubt him because I know he normally tells me the right things. And I believe everything he told me. But what's extra thing that I did not understand is that you are looking more beautiful than
so out.
Thank you for the compliment, Ma. I truly do appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. No. Are you from this village?
No, I'm not. I'm from Eluhu.
Eluhu Amuito.
Exactly.
Who is your father there?
My father is late Chief Akubeze.
Wow. Late Chief Akubeze, Dinaya Okadike.
Yes, Mom.
Do you know it was this man that wanted to marry me?
Are you serious?
Hey!
He wanted to marry me, but I was too young to marry him. His father was too rich. See how fate works.
But the truth is, I know you, but I didn't know you are Kene's mother.
Who doesn't know a poor widow like me in this village? Who feed through begging and petty trading? Mama,
please, don't talk like that, okay? Okay, listen to me. I'm here to help you.
Hey!
I want to take care of you. Yes, I want to dry away all your tears.
You want to help me?
Yes, Mom.
Take care of me?
Yes.
And dry my tears? Hey!
Listen, Mama. See, from now on, whatever it is that you want, be it clothes, money, food, anything.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Even though you have not done anything, I've not seen anything, but thank you. Because I know you will do everything. I know.
Betty, now you've made your own promise to her. What of me?
Yes. What you allow her to finish with me?
Oh, I don't mind him.
He's always very greedy.
Mama, Anya who deal with share.
Mama, don't cry,
Okay. Everything you said you are going to do, you will do for me.
I will. Trust me.
Thank you very much. My God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you. Amen. You're a good girl. I don't know why I've not seen you since.
It's okay. Now that you see me, it's gonna be fine.
Hey!
Mama, did you hear that?
It's gonna be fine.
I know.
What?
Thank you.
So, Mama, I haven't seen Ekene around. How is he?
Ekene, Mom. I sent him on errand, but he will soon be back.
Okay, so I missed him then.
It's okay.
Maybe I'll see him next time when I come.
It's okay. How is the mother?
No, she's doing well.
Just
very
like,
well.
yeah.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Yes. What do you want? Yeah? Get a picture.
Hey, Mama. I came to see Ekene.
Ekene is not at home.
But you told me to come down.
Shut up! I said he is not at home. Actually, Konida knows if it is not home. Hey, who been? Hey,
You're here. You're right, I'm at home, yeah? Why is your face like this? You know, come, let's go inside.
Go away! Where are you going to? Eh? Go away.
Inside.
Which inside? My house. Come, which house? Come and get out from here!
What do you want?
I want her to leave you alone. Bianoma Biko, leave my son alone. You did not give birth to him for me, Mumulia. I gave birth to you. I breastfed you for more than, what does it was breastfed for 9 months. You suckled on this breast for a year plus. Even a year and 6 months.
Mama.
Leave.
Please.
I said, get away from me. I said you should leave my son. I'm not doing today. I will kill you with my bare hands, idiot.
Noma.
Come on, come back here, Anofia. Come back here. So you want to follow her?
Have you seen what you caused? Are you happy now?
What did I cause? So if I had left you, you would run after her like a fool. Then I would have taught you a lesson. I would have taught you that I am the one that gave birth to you. I breastfed you with this my breast for more than 1 year. Others suckled on their mother's breast for 9 months. You suckled for almost a year, 6 months. No wonder you would want to make him a Monday also. Because you finished everything. Now you won't allow me to have rest. Nah, Mama. Get those things inside for me.
What has she done now? What has she done?
You should have told me. You should have told me that your mother does not like me. You should have told me that all her smiles to me is pretense. I should have known how to handle this thing and coming this far with you only for me to see your mother who I see as my mother change her attitude towards me.
Hey, Obim, I don't want you to allow that to bother you. As far as I'm concerned, my mother loves you. And as far as I'm concerned, she cares about you.
Like this. Then tell me, why is she behaving like this, How come she suddenly changed her attitude towards me? You are here telling me that she loves me. Is this what they call love? Is it what they call love? Leave me alone, leave me alone, just leave me. You leave me.
I don't want this to bother you. You know I love you. I'm here for you. I'm always with you. The main thing is that you have me and that is what you need.
No! It's not. I need everything. I need you. I need your mother. I can't feel comfortable if I'm not at peace with anybody around you. You're telling me this. I wanted to love me as my own. I wanted to love you because I'm going to be a future daughter-in-law. You're telling me she loves me like this.
See, you know what? I'll talk to her. Yes. Maybe she was in a bad mood when you came around. I know if I talk to her, at least she will change towards you. But I promise I'll talk to her.
You promise?
Yes.
I want you to go and talk to her. It's my own. I want you to go and talk to her.
Omalicham. Ugebem.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see you.
The love of my life.
Doesn't mean you're the one for take it easy with my heart. Cause my heart is so gentle and nice.
Afternoon. Please, who are you and how may I help you?
My name is Ekene. I came to see Beauty.
Ekene?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you are the young man who has made my daughter not to concentrate.
Excuse me, ma'am. What did you just say?
Well, Ekene, whatever you call yourself, you heard me right. Yes. If you know what is good for you, or if you have ears, stay away from my daughter. Else, the song that shall play, you will not like it.
Oh, that's exactly the reason why I came to see her, to warn her. Okay, good. Now that I know that you're involved, let me pass the message. Mama, help me warn your useless daughter to stay away from me. Help me warn her to stop bribing people into luring me to fall in love with her. Help me talk sense into her, please. I'm in love with someone I cherish already. Please, I beg you, help me tell her to stay away from me, my family, and my friends. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Beauty! Beauty! This girl has finished me!
You're walking out on me, Ekene. Did you go to Mama Beauty to tell her daughter to leave you alone?
Yes, Mama. I went to warn Mama Beauty to tell her useless daughter to leave me alone. Is she not old enough to understand the difference between when a man says no to a relationship and yes? Or is it because she has money? Eh? And that was your...
Ekene, you are very stupid. You are very, very stupid. If you go find me for doing this thing, over my dead body will I forgive you, Ekene?
Mama, over my own dead body will I accept or even imagine to have anything to do with that girl? Mama, poverty, what? Is it because of the poverty? Mama, is it because she has some filthy money to throw about and she thinks she can buy any love anybody because of her money?
Ekene? Ekene? Muna yana mazaka? Muna yana mazaka, Ekene? Because of that riffraff? Because of that stupid number? You will not talk back at me, Ekene? No problem! Ekene, no problem! You will see. By the time I finish with the number, hey! They will not let I'm going to get back to you and nurse you with this my two breasts for more than 1 year. They will not. Number! The party libet! I cannot go left right hand. Come and take right hand, number. You will see what I will do to you.
Mama,
but if I hear me, you are taking, I will do it too. Let me hear him.
Mama, leave that girl alone.
I'm waiting for her. No problem, Ekele. Both of you should wait for me. Mr. Wadria.
That girl did not do anything to you. This girl has been taking care of you, taking care of everybody in this house. Eh? Leave that girl alone, oh. Okay. Beauty. Beauty. Okay. Because of you. You want to left leg, oh. You want to leave left leg. What nonsense is this now? Leave that girl alone, oh. No man has not done anything to you, oh. Leave it, no man. Okay. Let me see that beauty in this house again. But can you wait? If they go to one.
Mama! You're sleeping! Mama, how are you? Mama, how are you?
Fine, beauty.
Hey.
Ma? You are welcome.
Thank you very much, Mama. Mama, tell me, how are you doing?
Just like that.
Yeah, that's fine. Mama, how is Ekene?
He's fine, oh. But he told me that he wants to go and see his friend, Mama.
Oh. That's by the way. It's fine, it's okay. Mama, I brought this for you. Yes, and some other things.
You brought rubber for me?
Yes, Mama. I want you to start looking good like every other big women out there.
You want me to start looking beautiful like every other woman?
No, not just every other woman. Like a very big woman.
Big women? Yes. Hey! Mom, thank you so much.
You like them, don't you?
They are beautiful. Thank you. That was all, Mom.
Mama. No, I've always told you it's my duty to take care of you, like the mother to the one that I truly love. Even if he doesn't love me back, I don't mind.
My dear, you don't have to. Because of this that you have done, and all this that you have said to me, see my son, you become yours. And I will make sure, do everything within my power to see that my son Ekele loves you.
And over my dead body will I do that.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
She came to see me. Is there a problem with that? Okay.
Mama.
Now listen. You still have ears on your head. Very first and last time I will see you in this house.
I cannot you lie. It is a lie. This house is my husband's house. What I say oppose in this house. Not what you say. We are going to marry this girl. Beauty is a very pretty girl. Look at her. A graduate with money. You have to marry her. I'm gonna get up in the chosen alwago. Now sit down. Don't have any problem. Nonsense. She will see nothing. And can I say she will see nothing? I'm marrying for Agapo. You will marry Beauty. No one I know. Just look at. I can come and see the cloth she bought for me. You do a time like one never. Has she giving me a wrapper like this? Nonsense. Are you scared? You don't have to get scared. It's my son. I know him.
I don't like the look on his face. Let me go. I'll come again to see him.
Okay. It's okay. He slept late this afternoon. That's why I know he's not in his right frame of mind, but he will be fine. When you look at this cloth very well, you will be fine. Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you. But you would have stayed.
Oh, no, I can't. I'll come again.
Okay. Oh, take care of yourself. Okay? Thank you.
Sorry, my dear. I'm sorry, okay? To not pain you again. You know, I want you to look more beautiful.
Yes, so beautiful for my Ekene. I like the hair, it's fine.
Yes, very, very fine. Norma, my friend. You know you're my friend.
Of course.
If I see anything bad that wants to happen to you and I decide to allow it, I'm not a good friend. What is it that you see in Ekene? I mean, what triggers your heart about him?
My Ekene.
My ears are filled up. Oh. The only thing I hear these days is how you and your mother caged Ekene. Me, I don't understand. That's why I want to ask.
Hey, Chinelu. You the amazing how we got
I'm getting drunk.
My dear, don't let that bother you. People must talk. As for me, Norma, my ears are open to their stupid gossip. You know? I should know it's only a fool that make gossip a lucrative business. Because Missy can get them now.
Norma, my friend. You know I love you so much, and I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to you.
But if I were you, I would just forget about Ekene and his mother.
Hey! Bikokwa, Ekene has not done anything to me. It's only the mother who is trying to stop Ekene from seeing me. So tell me, why should I avoid him?
That is the more reason you should avoid him.
Yeah.
The mother hates you, and no matter what you do, you cannot stop that hatred.
Okay, Missy, don't worry. I will know what to do about it. Oh,
you better do.
Thank you, Missy.
You better do.
That's silly.
Because I don't want anything to happen to my lovely friend.
Nothing will happen to me.
Udoka, thank God I met you outside. Udogadi. In short, there will be peace if only you will do this one favor for me.
Okay, go ahead.
Please, I have come to beg you in the name of God to please tell your daughter to stay away from my son. Let her stay away from my son. This is the only favor I have come to beg you. Excuse me.
But Nkechi, what did she really do?
Did I say she did anything? The only thing I have come to ask you or beg you is to tell her to leave my son alone. And I'm sure if you tell her that, she will understand. Tell her to stay away from my son. Inugo, excuse me. Biko, I don't know where comes to me heavy. Is there why you're coming? If I've ever offended you, please tell me. I will kneel down and beg you. What is this now? Are you bent on breaking my heart? Why can't you listen to me for once?
Hey, Mama, you know I've always listened to you. You know I've always wanted you happy since ever Papa died. But Mama, tell me, how come you now want me to be in sorrow now that I needed my own happiness? Why, Mama?
Your own happiness, Norma. I understand you are in love with Ekene. But he's not the only man. The idea of his mother coming to this house to warn me, to tell you to stay away from the son, is one thing I'm yet to understand. You have to be careful now. Go Draco here.
Mama. Hey, Mama, nothing will happen to me. See, Mama, I know that Ekene's mother is working under influence of something. I know.
And you don't think that same influence can make her destroy you?
Mama, just relax. See, Ekene has promised to protect me in everything.
I'm not joking.
Mama.
What is happening? Why are you being so difficult on this issue? Why have you decided not to allow Ekene marry Nneoma?
Okamaka. If you were not my sister, I would have asked you, how much were you paid to do this? Yeah? What kind of stupid question is this? How can you say that I did not want my son to see a girl? What is there? All I want is for him to obey me and stop seeing...
Not this girl in question. Not this girl. This girl has done nothing to you and you know it.
So what you are saying in effect is that I should tell my son Ekene to start preparing himself to marry that dirty girl who has no hope at all of tasting anything that is called riches all the days of her life. Or future. It can never be possible. Not while I'm alive. I want good things of life for my son.
It's all about school now. Sister, it's all about school. So you've refused all this while because Nneoma did not go to school. Manakam Jogo, did Ekene go to school?
Hey, now you sound like my sister. Now you sound like my younger sister Okamaka that I know. Hey, both of us are on the same page. We reason along. Okamaka, Ekene, my son, did not go to school. Therefore, he does not need to be with a girl who did not go to school. Ekene needs a girl that has gone to school, who will help to brush my son up, brush him up, and make my son mad. I don't need an illiterate. I don't need what I want. I don't need it.
It's obvious you are sounding this way. It's obvious you are sounding this way, Nne. After all this girl did for you, Auntie.
Yama, point of correction. Before you go out to tell them, that girl did not do anything from you. Not even one single thing. Nothing. She is a pretender. Everything you have seen her do is because she wants to warm herself into Ekene's heart and to entice me into believing that she's a good girl. She's a pretender. She has done nothing for me. Uncle, am I looking for firewood? Call Millie. So, don't tell me that.
Adane, all I am asking is for you to allow peace to reign. Ekene has threatened to kill himself if things continues this way.
Is it true?
Yes, now. If you go near me.
So what is Ekene waiting for? Ekene, go and kill yourself. Ekene, kill yourself. So that when you go to heaven or wherever you are heading to after you must have killed yourself, when God finds you and asks you why are you here, tell him that you killed yourself because of one stupid girl. Nonsense. You know I have heart. And when Mobi, it's either he follows the light or I push him into the darkness.
I have said my own sister. I want to start going.
Thank you very much. At least you have contributed into the matter. But as to going, you know I'd never invited you. So if you know how you came, you can as well go back.
I'm your sister.
Oh, well, there's no doubt about that. We're talking about going and coming. And the way you came, you can just go.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. And I give you my heart, 'cause I think you will understand. Oh, if I got now love, where it goes, yeah, if we got now love, where it goes, yeah, if we got now love, where it goes, yeah, if we got now love, where it goes, yeah, somebody please wake me up.
Beauty, I suggest you forget about this guy. Since you have tried all your possibilities to get his love and attention, doesn't have any interest in you, and see if you can consider Martin. Since you have tried every possible means to get his attention and his love, but he doesn't have any interest in you.
My friend, you don't seem to understand. Listen, ever since I grew up as a lady, there's no guy, no man has ever moved me, ever. I mean it. This guy is he's just that one person that has really moved me.
But you cannot do otherwise. You can't do anything about it. You have tried your best as a human being. Forget about him.
I still have my hopes held high. The mother promised to talk to him.
You are talking about his mother. That is his mother's opinion. Have you considered about his own opinion? That is where I want you to look into. This boy doesn't love you. Can't you see? Beauty, please.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand.
Mama, good morning.
What is it? Eh? What is it? Is it that you have ears? You don't listen with them? Eh? Or that you just do not want to use your ears at all? I have told you to leave my son alone. Leave my son now, Bikonu. What did I do to you?
Zibone, Bikonu, if I've done anything wrong to you, Mama, forgive me. Bikonu, forgive me. Mama, I love you, Kenny. I love your son so much. Mama, Bikonu, what has any love? Oh?
I don't have any other thing that I understand. The only language I hear is leave my son alone. Go and look for that man. My own is no longer available. Take your stupid, useless love to somewhere else. Maybe you don't understand where this is coming from. There is a big difference between Iti and Iti Polybomb.
Hey.
And Kepolibomb, that is what you are.
Hey.
Carry your firewood and water to somewhere else. I have seen light.
Eh?
I have seen light.
I need you, Lord.
That way.
Mama, I promise you, my firewood this time will be very special. Oh?
What am I doing with firewood? Go and sell them and bring money. Come on, get out from here. Don't let me stone you. Good God. Get out!
Mama,
Iti Volleyball. My son is not around for you.
Mama, bye-bye. Okay. Take care.
Come on. Massive budgie. Book don't worry about.
What happened?
Mazi, I have come to tell you. To warn your brother's wife, Udoka. Tell her to tell her daughter to leave my son alone. Tell her to leave my son alone. And I'm telling you, go and tell her. Tell her to stop whatever love potion she's using on my son through her daughter. Please, let them stay away from my son. Else,
ask what? In case I'm asking you, ask what? Else he kill her the way you kill your husband. Hey. You think we don't know? Everybody in this village know you kill your husband. Wait a minute. What am I even saying? Nkechi, who gave you the guts to come into my house to talk rubbish? I don't blame you. I said I don't blame you at all. I blame Unoma for falling in love with your useless and hopeless son.
Oh. Mazi, you heard your wife. She said that my son is stupid and useless.
Yes, Nkechi heard me. If your son is not useless and hopeless, he should have known that Ezanyago family will have nothing to do with Irregular family because you people are evil.
Mama, it's okay.
No, allow her to talk. Let her vomit all the nonsense in her mouth. I am waiting, Oloma. Continue.
Allow me to talk to this wicked and contaminated witch. Nkechi, go ahead. Higher class. Kill Noma for all I care. Go ahead. Kill her.
You heard her. You heard what she said, and you are keeping mute. Both of you are small case. I know how to handle you.
Me? Nkechi, you are an idiot. You are an idiot. You are an idiot.
So why do you?
If every woman in this world is scared of you, Nkechi, Uloma, I am not afraid of you.
Okay.
Nkechi, try me. I will give it to you raw. Fire for fire. Idiot.
No problem. Now you have hide it from her. You hide it. Okay. I am going. She has finished everything she has. You both of you should wait for me. I am going, but I will come back for you. You can't even squeeze them out. Don't worry, when I will come for her, I will argue.
No.
I'm going.
Come and stay.
Come on, get away.
Let me tell you, never in your life come to my house with your useless complaint to my husband. If you have anything with Noma, with her mother, go to them and sort it out. Idiot.
Please, I don't want to involve myself in this. Neither do I want you to. Everyone knows that Nkechi is a troublemaker, eh?
Nine. And you think that I am not equal to the tax? Let her come with her trouble. Let Nkechi come with her trouble. I am waiting for her. Nonsense.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand.
What is it? Your countenance these days is dull. It's unlike you. Is there anything you are not telling anybody?
I'm fine.
No, sister. You are not. Look at it. It's written all over you. Please, what is it?
Emeka, please, I beg in the name of God, I want to be left alone. Biko.
Sister, if it is, you have to put a smiling face. Please, your brother doesn't like this.
I said I want to be left alone.
Have I said anything wrong now?
Did I say you've said anything wrong? I only said I want to be left alone. Hapmaka, Biko.
I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand.
See.
And I give you my heart.
Hello? Is someone home? Hello?
Oh. My daughter.
Good morning, ma.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma. Is Nema home? I can't see him.
No, he's not around.
Okay.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem, not at all. Please, can you help me tell him that I came looking for him?
Yeah. But I don't know you.
I'm sorry, pardon my manners. My name is Beauty, and I'm his friend.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma.
No problem.
Take care.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
It's alright. I will tell you.
Okay. Bye.
Alright.
Okay.
Wrong one.
Bye
bye. Oh.
Bye, ma.
Oh, mama. My dear, if I tell you I am not surprised, I'll be lying. For how many years now I lost my husband? Not even a phone call. Not to talk of being around. I hope all is well.
My dear, all is not well. My last importation was seized at the border by the customs. There's nothing I and my husband have not done to get it. Yet, nothing shows.
Hey, yeah. So sorry. It's a pity. These custom people and their wahala. So how is your husband and your children?
They are fine.
Please pardon my manners. Let's have this.
Hey. Since when did your daughter start running this charity organization, if I may ask?
My daughter?
Yes.
I don't understand.
How? Do you mean you want to tell me that you've not heard of how your daughter, Beauty, have been spending money on one widow like that at Abuan simply because she loved her son, who has not shown any interest in where she is?
Wait a minute. Is this a movie? Or it is a real story?
Does it look as if I've come to gossip or what?
Oh, forgive my manners. But who is this woman? Tell me, and leave the rest of the action to me.
So, if I tell you now, what do you want to do? Fight her? Oh no, come on, you're above that.
Yes, I know I'm above that, but I need to know who this woman is. Who is this woman? I will need to know her. Who is she?
Is the wife of the late palm wine tapper who supplied every drink during your husband's chieftaincy confinement.
What? Yes. When you do it, Chabwana?
Exactly.
Okay. It's all right. Thank you for this piece of information. I know how to handle her.
What is really happening? Why is she doing this to me? Could it be that she's seen another man? But why? After all my love for her, what do I do now? Do I consider this beauty of a girl? No, I can't. I can't fall so cheaply because of money. I love Norma.
Where are we going to?
We're here already now.
Where? Here. Ujiko Forest. Hey, Ekene, don't you know that this place is a sacred place and it's so scary?
And that is why I brought you here. So that you will prove the love you have for me. And I will prove the love I have for you. You know that whatever promises that is made in this place holds till death. That is why I said let us come to this place and let us reassure ourselves. And we give you the assurance that you will not leave me for another person no matter the circumstances.
You know I love you with everything in me.
No. Prove it to me here. So that I will have the assurance and you have the assurance.
Hey. Blood covenant? Hey, leave alone now. Okay, why are we going this far? Why?
Say no to me. Please. This is the only way I can be assured that you're not going to leave me, that you will stick by me forever.
Are you sure we are doing the right thing?
You're with me, I won't kill you now. Huh? If I don't love you, I won't be doing this. So precious that not even poverty and challenges of life can change it. Though I might not have money, though I might not be as rich as others, please, I want you to stay with me. I want you to always love me in sickness and in health.
My love, I promise you this day to love you with everything in me, my body, my soul. I would say you're the reason why I've been created. Without you in my life, I'm incomplete. Promise me you will never leave me for another.
Promise.
Promise.
This day I promise I will always love you. I will not share my love with any other person till I die.
I promise to love you too.
She means everything to me. Hey, Norma.
Welcome.
Sister.
You didn't even tell us that you were coming. No information, nothing. All I saw was getting back.
Sister, it was so sudden.
Yeah.
Our company down here called me for an urgent meeting. So I have no other option than to fly down.
Hey! Fly down. No. See how fat you've grown. Just a few years ago.
Sister.
Welcome.
Sister, how is Ekene?
Ekene? I guess he's sleeping because he came back late and told me not to wake him. So didn't I know?
At this time of the day.
Don't mind him.
No, actually, sister, you have to wake him up.
Yes.
Ekene is the main reason why I decided to come down to the village.
What do you come?
Yes, sister, there's no problem. I'll be traveling back with him.
When are you traveling?
Sister, as a matter of fact, there's no time. I'll be leaving as early as possible tomorrow. As early as 5:30 a.m.
Hey, that's so sudden. Can't you just give him time to say goodbye to his friends?
Sister, friends. Must everyone know that Ekene is traveling?
It's okay, Kenele. It's okay, Mana. The time is so soon. I wonder if you will agree. Well, let me just wait him up.
You don't have to be better.
Sister.
Wow.
Ekene. Mama. Uncle is here. Hey, come. Baby. Don't just come.
He's looking so big.
Bro, he's a full man now. Your uncle said something about you traveling with him to America tomorrow morning by 5 a.m.
You want to do what?
What we have been praying all this while.
See, Uncle, leave it. We'll travel next tomorrow or even next week. It's too sudden now. At least let me have time to tell my friends that I'm traveling, especially Norma. How can I just leave her like that and travel?
Ekene. See, this is an opportunity everyone needs. Are you getting it?
Yes.
You shouldn't remain at this level. You need to go better your life. You're a man now.
too sudden.
What was it?
At least let me have the opportunity to tell my friend, maybe next tomorrow, then tell my friends that I'm traveling. And especially Norma. I can't just leave her like that and go now.
Yay! Please tell him, oh.
You see, the reason why you are still with Norma is because the level you are operating now. See, when you get to the States, make good money, you see girls, you see the class of woman you want, you get married to them. Make your money first.
Yes. Or better still, go and make money and come and marry Norma. Just begin to pack your things. You know I don't have time for this. Please, Biko, pack your things. No, come pack your things, Biko.
Alright, you don't walk.
Yeah.
Please be fast.
Thank you. I am glad. Though it's so sudden, but all the same, it's God's plan. By this time tomorrow, both of you will be in the air.
Sure. Who knows when I'll be coming back to this country again?
Get you? My son, over there you go.
Drink your own. I'm fine, let me finish.
I'm finished.
Okay.
I can ask for a book to America.
Norma. 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 Now go to the kitchen and put rice on fire. Go to the kitchen also.
But wait. Wait. Were you in love with him before?
Idiot.
Go to the kitchen. Now put rice on fire.
Mama, he's come.
Rice.
She's confused.
Mama, where is the road to the kitchen?
Come on, Sheba also.
Okay.
She's confused.
What is it?
But the question is, did I connect?
Okay, go back. What is it?
Was the Ekene in love with her before?
But why are you laughing?
I'm supposed to laugh now because Nema told me that Ekene did not love her. Now look at it. It shows that he loved her. I love her, yeah? So that is it.
Why? Why are you
My dear, I'm fine. As you can see, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm not really fine.
Yo, what do you want?
My daughter came back crying. Only see that somebody told her that Ekene, your son, traveled. You see, I know, Mama. She's lying. Let me come and see you, woman to woman, to know if it's the truth.
100% correct. But do you have any problem with that?
No, not really. I don't. But at least, I could have at least told my daughter before traveling. Not wait for any other thing. For what they shared together.
What does that supposed to mean? No, what is it that they shared? Yeah? Listen, I don't know what your plans are. But I am begging you. Izuko, I am begging you. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit, to please advise your daughter to look for another man. Amen. Whatever thing they shared in the past have crossed the sea. Those things are not in existence again. Biko.
Why are you shouting now?
Like the darkness on Webiari.
What are you shouting? Hey! Alume. I don't know one man. Hey! Man, this is not good.
I should have known this before now. I should have known that he was only deceiving me. How could he do this to me? How can he live without saying a word to me? What have I done wrong to him?
Who is here? Get out never.
Who is that? My auntie.
Ah, yes. Are you the wife to the late Diochi?
Yes, I am. Any problem?
Ah, yes, madam, there's a problem. I have come to collect everything that my daughter has been given to you and your son. Be it money, material, or otherwise. And also to tell you to warn your son to stay away from my daughter.
Nkechi, see, if I do not know your husband, I will say that you are a very stupid and silly woman. For you to drag your empty self into my house and be talking this rubbish. If your husband is rich, he is rich to his pockets. He is who he is. You are who you are. I am who I am. You people should not expect me to portray down for you people. See, because my husband has money. I say, it is you who will want your daughter to stop forcing men to herself. Men that do not have interest in her. It is you that will want your daughter.
How dare you? How dare you talk to me like that?
And how dare you bring your empty self into my house to talk to me like that?
Oh, woman, I can see that you're a very stupid person. You are, yes.
And woman, I can see that you are the worst of all women. Silly, that's what you are. Nonsense woman.
Thief. You are nothing but a thief. You saw a little girl like that. All you could do is to make her pocket dry with your useless son.
Ngwabu thief. Onyoshi. Did I force her? I forced Salomia. She was the one that was prostrating before me, now begging me, crying after my very handsome son. The boy that never wanted her. On her young Biko, I refused. Eh? Did I force her? Only the bad look Irina sharp. Period.
Is that what the bad look Irina? Hey, is that what you're saying? Okay, you see this one. You will never eat it. I will make sure that you don't eat it. It will never rest in your body. You and your son, I'm coming back for you.
Get away, stupid woman. You should be very ashamed of yourself that your daughter is using your money to lure men to herself. Any man she falls in love with, she'll be begging them with money. Giving them money. You should be ashamed of that. Instead of bringing your empty self to talk rubbish in my house. You should be ashamed of that. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I don't
that
blame
your daughter is using your money to lure men to herself. Look at you. Your daughter uses money to lure men, even the men that do not have interest on her. Shameless woman. Onori. Oh, you think I'm the one collecting money? Your daughter wants my son by force, by fire, but it will not work. Agala, what can you want? Just.
Have you gone to see the nurse?
Norma, I've always told you. Each time you feel as if your body is changing, rush and go and see the nurse.
Go on, even nurse. Go now. The shop is open. Go. What? Between this one. Go straight.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. Jukwa.
When was your last cycle?
No. I am not pregnant. It's malaria. I am not pregnant now. I am not pregnant, Biko. Hey, my mother will kill me. Oh, no, Biko. Biko, I hope you won't tell my mother.
But you must get your mother involved in this.
I can't do. I can't. You don't understand. She will just kill me. She will bury me alive. You. Please now, just get rid of it. My mother will kill me.
She will kill you, please.
My mother will kill me.
What did the nurse say?
She said I have malaria attack.
When last did you see your period?
Mama, first week of last month.
First week of last month? Did you tell the nurse that?
Yes, Mama.
And she ran the test and told you it's typhoid and malaria?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
She said I'm pregnant, Mama.
So why did you lie to me in the first place?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Okay. Who did it?
Who did what, Mama?
Got you pregnant.
Okay. Yes.
Ekenakwe?
Yes, Mama.
Hi! No wonder he traveled the way he did without telling you. Hi! I'm sure his mind was already telling him that,
Sorry.
It's okay. We'll go and meet his mother.
Yeah.
She got him that collar up.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hello.
Why? Nkechi! Nkechi! Come on here!
Udoka, what is it again? What do you and your daughter want from me?
Yeah, want from you. Everybody in this community know that you have nothing that anyone can come and borrow from you.
We are on the same page, as usual. I don't have anything. So, what do you people want? Telephone no
Nkechi, ke ukwezi oku ma Chineke bi leligwe ma na mefe me like free cause ono. I don't have time for this your nonsense. I just came to deliver the wonderful good that your son imported. That your son imported from states. Your son got my precious daughter pregnant. I am not here to fight. I brought her so that you can take care of her until she puts to bed. Since your he-goat could not withstand the act that he standing, what
an insolence. What an insult on my personality as a mother whose son has traveled to Bodoyibu. Udoka, I cannot take this nonsense from you again. Come on, Zoku. My level with your level are the same. I have been elevated.
Insolent. Your personality. A personality ngawagi aturu yoje lecharanya mehiopa. To name my precious daughter me. It's insult. Insult again.
Because your daughter could not put her legs together.
Hey.
Go and find thread and needle and stitch her up.
If I can carry my daughter and use needle and thread and tie her up, you have to open his leg. Palaya Zoba ye, hit us over. I'm the lawyer. Tell him that.
Well, take her own. I will take my own home. What the problem there?
Yeah, Mama. The man's going to try his make work. Stay here and deliver this baby. If you tell my chineke can be a little bit.
Take this thing out of my house. Take this thing away from my house because the next minute you hear about her, she must have been dead. Because one day Jack can wait. Is it the shameless girl? What is it?
Ma,
what do you want?
Good afternoon.
Go get it. Get out, get it. What do you want? Look at you. Uncle, that is the reason I don't even want you. I trust them, Uncle. My house is full of firewood. Ma, because Sunday, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Never came, Bawa. Never came. I want to shoot.
Follow your mother. I will kill you. I've told her I will kill you. When I come license, I can make you friend.
It's me, never came. It's me. Mama, 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 thank you.
Mama. They will thank you. Thank you again. Thank you. Did I marry you? Thank you, boy.
Mama, I'm carrying your grandson.
You see what your friend did to my sister? He got her pregnant and traveled without letting her know. Is it fair?
Emeka, now that you're asking me, who should I ask? Oh, this is not here. Was I not the one that asked your mother to warn Norma to stay away from Ekene? That is only there to deceive her. But none of them adhere to my advice. I tried.
You know, I have to complain to you because you are his friend.
I know.
But were you aware that he was traveling at the first place?
Emeka, that is the point. Yeah? Ekene kept everything all to himself. He didn't tell me. I was even thinking that Ekene was my friend. But he proved me wrong.
Ekene. Ekene. It's alright. Abachos are gone mad.
Wolo mola to your long. Wolo no mola. Now to your long. I tried everything possible.
Where are you? Come and check.
You refuse to listen.
Retard.
Are you sure you are correct?
Yeah, correct.
Huh? Can I attack or torture? Huh? Can I attack or torture? Is it sure? Okay.
Mama, how sure are you that you're doing the right thing? What if the woman refuses to let her in?
Olawunilo, let her sleep outside. At least let that be the punishment for disobeying me in this house.
Mama, remember she's still your only daughter. If anything should happen to her, you'll still be the one to regret it.
Let's wait till that time.
Please, Mama. Allow her to come back.
Yeah, Chukwemeka, what is it? Okay, she will come back. That will be after she has given birth.
Hey, because you know.
Do you want to faint? Machuku ni collapse eba. Nga no do eba ite. Na pola. Pola tromo kuna. Apa ozugo.
Okay, now, Papa. This looks like a foreign number. Hello? Yeah, this is Nema. Who is this? Ekene? Ekene? It's a lie. It's a lie. Hey! Ekene, where are you? You are not in America. Obodo Ekene, don't go to Obodo Ekene? Ekene, I must say you are not a good person. You are not a good person. You got to Noma pregnant and disappeared. Yet you pretend to love her. It's not good, my brother. It's not good. Yeah? I heard that the mother has taken her to your place. As I'm talking to you, Noma is now in your place. She's there. That is by the way. That is by the way. So how are you over there? Oh, you are good. Okay. You will call me later. Please don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. Okay. Bye-bye. Lekwana Ekene. Even for more good. Ekene n'obodo oyibo. Ekene ejekwa n'obodo oyibo.
You see? I want you. You made up your mind not to listen to me. I was talking to you the other day. You told me Ekene will not fail me. Ekene Zikata. Hasn't he failed you?
Hey, Ekene.
After this thing is your fault. How do you mean you listen to me? This thing will not happen. If you didn't open your leg to Ekene, you went and opened your leg. Ekene entered. After everything I said,
Mama, I still don't know what I've done to Ekene to deserve this from him. I still don't know. Mama.
That's the main reason why we should keep quiet and understand it. After all, it's your fault. That's now you know what we are doing. If you didn't open your leg, Ekene wouldn't have gotten you pregnant. You just keep quiet. In fact, if it's possible, forget about Ekene for now. Check for Kenya, Obere.
No problem. No problem. Nobody is not blaming me. Ekene.
Are you still sitting here?
Yes, Mama.
Stop! Stop also! If I open my leg like that, will the father come and pay my bride price? When he did. I'm going to see me. Short.
I don't want to bleed no more. Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh.
Mama, be cool. Mama, be cool. If I have done anything to you, please, I'm begging you, tell me. I will apologize. I will be cool, not never be cool.
Pretender jealousy. Pretender. Just look at me. Say. Let me remind you again, in case you have forgotten. Take a time to look around this compound. Noma. Naya. Noma, you don't have a space here. There's no space for you, Noma. I will advise you, Noma, just carry yourself back to your father's house and give this bastard you are carrying for your stupid, useless mother.
Take off my condition because
Okuna fuko kwano. Ndi oba okuna fuko ekpekwa madu na aka o. Agmekwa madu.
Mama, I'm carrying your grandchild.
Who's the right side?
Because Mama.
You cannot deceive me again. Mama, you may deceive Zimo. I have found somebody. Let me tell you, if you go this your crocodile tears that are shedding, if I see your leg in this compound again, what I will do to you again, you will see. I've not even beaten you and shouting. Go and come back. Go back to your father's house. You know that I want to by force. Is it by force? Stupid girl. Ugly thing.
I am feeling so bad. Hey, Mama. Hey, help.
So you are still there. You want to know what I will do up here? You are still there.
Mama.
Okay. Stupid, useless girl. Look what I know. Marriage is by force. Eh?
Yeah, right. You're here. So, Mother, now that you finally disgraced yourself, did you gain something?
Did you call that disgrace? It is never a disgrace. I want to tell that woman that girl, she and her son, put straw in her pocket to drain, has a mother who sees everything they do. That woman, I am making plans for her.
What are you so funny? What plans can you possibly make for someone who's done you nothing? Yes. Mother, I will advise you just let the sleeping dog lie. That's all I can say to you. Of course, because you have no evidence to back up whatever it is you want to lay against her. Besides, her son is no longer in the country. Yes, he has traveled to the United States. Oh, Mom, are you surprised? Oh no, you shouldn't be. Well, he's gone to the United States, and once he returns, everything will be happening. All you need to do for me is pray and support me, because I have every hope of becoming his wife once he returns, Mother. That sounds like, huh? Oh, you're so shocked. I see it. I can feel it, Mother. I like that look on your face. You know that? Whoa. I love you too, Mom.
Is it? But that young man has come to America. We shall see.
Nine. I hope you're enjoying the food.
Yes, it's okay.
Hey, Nine. I saw Dikeh earlier this morning. This one she visited. I hope there is no problem.
Allow me to eat, man. No problem.
Nine. I don't believe you. There is problem. Nine. What is it? Tell me. I am your wife. There is problem. What is it? Nine, talk to me. What is it?
Nama is pregnant.
What? Pregnant? Norma is pregnant. How? Don't can we hear the man by the corner so? Nine. Did she tell you who impregnated her?
She didn't tell me.
Oh! Norma rapta go kwai. Ime mpuke. Nya. Omaro yetu wali ime. How? Mwe bukwanyo.
Sister, please. For how long are you going to continue like this? Please. I don't like this you are doing to yourself. Sister, you are breaking my heart.
Udo. There is nothing about my wife and I you do not know. For 10 good years, my wife has not been able to give me a child. I have come in respect of Norma, your daughter. I know she's pregnant. The reason I'm here is to know if I can marry her. Yes. For her to have that child in my name. Udonyere makalata lama ho afiri.
Day, you've spoken well, and I really appreciate it. But you know I'm only but a woman.
Obviously.
Despite the fact that my husband is late, his relatives still live. You know, this topic is a sensitive one. I will need to relate with them and see what they have to say. Then you also give me time to discuss with my daughter. Yeah?
It's all right. If it is as regards time, I will give you time, but
you just give me a little time. Let's say in 2 days. I'll give you an answer in 2 days.
You are not a man. You won't understand what I've been going through for 10 years. They were sick. 10 years. My walls have all cracked. They wujia.
Buy more sand. Nine. I came to see you for something very important. As my late husband's brother, you know that there are some things that a woman cannot handle in a family. Things like marriage. You know the condition of my daughter. Dikeh came 2 days ago to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage. Since the boy that got her pregnant is nowhere to be found, I told him to go, but I'll come and discuss with you before I'll know what to tell him.
Like you rightly said, the boy that got her pregnant is nowhere to be found. And his mother refused to take the responsibility. I think marrying her out to Dikeh is the best idea. After all, Dikeh is a very good man. But have you heard from the boy that got her pregnant?
Mazi, we've not heard anything. No. The only thing we hear at times is from the other boy that calls himself his friend. And the day I took this girl to the mother's place, the mother was so aggressive about it, and she didn't see it funny. She didn't welcome her at all.
I think why I'm asking this is that this is marriage.
I know.
So that we don't do mistake. But it's better for her to marry than for her to stay in her father's house and give birth to a child. Hey.
That means I should welcome Dikeh.
Yes.
Thank you,
Hello? Ekene, it's Nema. Please speak loud, I can't hear you. The network is breaking. Okay, I think I can hear you now. Oh, you mean you're sending money and phone to Norma? Oh, that is so lovely. That is so lovely. What of my own? Are you not sending for me? I want to send alone. Oh, you are sending for me as well. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you again. Okay. You are doing it through courier service. That's good. That's good. Okay. I should go and claim it. I will do just that, my brother. I will do it. Okay.
I've always known you to be a good woman. The only person I come for an advice after my mother. Please, what do you have to say concerning this old man's intention of marrying me because of my pregnancy?
Mama, I will give you good advice. There is nothing wrong in marrying that old man that is coming for you. Since you say that Ekene has never shown any sign, either through letter or phone calls, through his friends, at least for you to have hope, to know that he still loves and cares for you. So why are you still waiting for him with this pregnancy? No, now, just think about it, please.
Dikeh, my mind is not there. I don't feel anything for this man. I don't like him. He's too old. I don't want him.
My dear, in a situation like this, you have to throw away sentiments. Yeah? Like the way you feel for any person. Huh? Please, nurture love for him.
For who?
Still, you can still nurture love. Yeah? Norma, marry this man. Marry this man so you can save your unborn child for being addressed as a bastard. Do you want them to call your child a bastard?
Okay. Okay, my friend, you. I'm going to say. Okay.
Please. Alright. I understand. Understand your mother. Okay.
Who is here? Hey, never. Mother, no one. Anybody at home? Mother, no one. Emeka?
No, man.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Is it Norma at home?
Yes. I want to see her.
Oh, yes.
Sister Norma. Sister.
Yeah.
Come, Nema wants to see you.
Oh, yeah.
Nema. I'm coming.
Okay.
Nema.
Ah, Norma. Get it, Kimele.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. You are not looking bad, though.
Ota. Thank you.
Finally, you have a message from your one and only.
Who? Ekene. Ekene. Chineke.
This is the letter.
Chineke.
Mama. It hasn't gotten to that extent. Everybody go down.
Mama.
Go.
Ekene.
Hey. Take the letter. This is it. Take it.
Oh, Nema, stop now. You know I can't. Just read it out for me because go yo.
You know I'm doing this all because of you.
I know.
Okay. Let us see what we have here.
Thank you. Ekene.
No. No.
Hey.
Let's see what we have here.
Hey.
Let's see what we have here.
Go back.
Norma. Were you having problem with Ekene before he traveled?
Ekene, me? Did he say we were having problems?
It's because of what I'm seeing here.
Hey. No, we are not quarreling, no. Chineke bekwa. Mona Ekene. Mbakwa.
Okay.
Go.
Maybe let me read it out for you.
Okay.
Listen attentively.
Oh,
He said he is totally disappointed in you. That he doesn't know that you could betray his love for you by going to meet another man who got you pregnant.
Me?
Hey.
Nama.
Hey. He's a liar.
He said you should tell him how much he can compensate you with.
He's a liar.
So that you can move on with your life. Since you have betrayed his love for you.
Hey. Chineke. Hey.
Before I forget.
Hey.
This is the money.
Madam. Hey.
He said to avoid dragging the name of his family to the mud, that you should use the money to abort the baby. And that you and your family should stop spreading his name all over the village. That he was the one responsible for your pregnancy.
Oh, no.
Huh?
But
come to think of this, why will Ekene be this wicked?
Hey. Kimi.
Huh? People can be heartless. So. Why is he writing such a letter to you? I will no more to you long. But then, Noma, are you saying that you... Noma! 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 Hey! Don't do this! Hey! What will I say? Mama, Noma! Hey! Noma, don't do this! I am Nema, not Ekene. Noma! No! Beauty, I told you. I told you. Yeah? Finally, she's about letting off the track for you to position yourself very well.
And how do you mean? I mean, how do you mean letting off the track for me?
Beauty. She's about to be married to an old man who is old enough to be her father. And once that happens, Ekene will have no other option than to divert all his love and attention to you.
Wow.
Oh,
But what if she doesn't accept this said old man?
Beauty, as it stands now, neither Noma or her mother have a choice. Unless she wants to deliver her child and bear the same surname with the baby. If I can't draw possible, I'm not like yeah.
I like the sound of
My
that.
breasts are working.
Wow. Oh, I really pray it works, because if it does, I'm gonna be the happiest woman on this planet Earth. Like.
Don't say if it will work, because it has already worked. Don't you go to church at all?
I do.
Listen, I hate to work with people that have no faith. Ndi ogugwenta. Please, it has worked. Meanwhile, there's something I want to tell you. Don't feel bad about it, but I have to say it. Please, I need 20,000 naira from you.
What?
Like I said, I have some issues to sort out.
Again? Oh, I just gave you 50,000 and here you are asking for 20. Oh, that's too much. I don't know, but it's too much.
It's as if you're sending me to an evil forest. You don't know the amount of work I'm doing for you.
You're actually becoming so demanding. I pray and hope that this works.
Don't pray. It has already worked for you. Beauty.
Dad, I have discussed with my husband's relatives. And they said there's no problem. They agreed.
Okay, have you spoken with Norma? What did she say?
There is not going to be any problem. Norma is not the problem. Everything is going on well. Though she hasn't said anything. And she hasn't agreed either. But I'm not okay.
Udo, pamper her. Pamper her. You know she's still a very young woman. She needs to be pampered before she can agree.
Lead and pampering her. She will agree. Little time. She will agree. She's a young girl.
You know, in her condition, she needs to be helped. She needs to be helped so that you understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah, but you have been helping for 10 years now.
That is my wife. I'm talking about Norma. Let me help her in this condition. That is where she needs. Only the her.
You have to calm down. Don't be in a hurry to email one. Calm down.
Wagala. Let me go and meet up with today, John.
I will send message to you.
Please do.
This man is in trouble. What kind of thing is that?
Now that she has decided to settle down with that old man, is it still advisable that I tell Ekene? No. If I do, he will ask me too many questions. And again, he will stop sending her things, which I know is one of the means I make my own profit as his friend. No. My mouth shut up. He is a fool. So he needs to be treated as such, since he don't want to forget her. Emeka, I don't know whether Norma have told you. You see, the reason why I came here to see you, because as his brother, I want you to be my witness. Eh? Ekene sent a letter to me telling Norma here to name the amount of money she wants so that she can move on with her life than to lose everything completely. I called Norma and told her to collect the money, but she refused. She rejected it. Eh?
Nema, if she collects the money, what happens to her
Exactly
pregnancy?
the same question that I asked him. Oh yes, I did.
Nema,
Emeka,
you know what? You're only a messenger.
Thank God though. Thank God though.
But I want you to still tell him not only to remember his present, but also to remember his past. And also, since you are his mediator, I want you to still tell him that poverty has never driven away our brain and conscience. What does it take us for? People who could be bought with money. Oh no. Nema, no. Still go back and tell him, whichever way you communicate with him, that we turn down his offer. And also tell him that I, Chukwemeka, I must pay him back. It's a promise.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, Wolumula Tunyelong. Hey, Wolumula, not Tunyelong. Hey, okay. Emeka, it's all right. You have indeed spoken like a man. A real man for that matter. But we all have to think about this deeply. Let us have a deep thought. Because money is involved here. We all are talking about money. And we all know how hard this country is these days.
Mema.
Nemo.
Just go.
Asagene.
I said leave.
No, I am only bringing suggestions. If I go pregnant you,
Nema, just leave this place. Nema, I said leave this place. Nema, just leave.
Emeka,
Nema, leave.
I'm going to leave. It's a guatomo. Pregnancy.
The one. How are you?
I don't know.
You can see I'm very busy. I can't know.
My mother said I should come and tell you that my sister have accepted.
Chinekele. Egwete mpila bụ onye mbodo onye ike. Egwete mpila bụ onye mbo onye ike. That is a good news. Listen, tell your mother that I shall be coming with members of my family in 3 days. Eh? Okay. That is a very wonderful news.
I have to be on my way. I can't wait. I can't. Tell your mother that I am coming right away. Let me
So tell me, how are you preparing for the traditional marriage?
Every night when I
My
close
dear,
my eyes,
of the truth, my mind is not there. But the circumstance surrounding my condition is what I cannot comprehend. How do you know? Everybody's voice is the same. Marry him, marry him, marry him. Just because of my condition.
Which is equally what I would have told you if you had come to me.
Because my heart is so gentle.
Anyway, the whole thing is happening tomorrow.
Wow. Very nice. All the same, I wish you the best. Yes, I wish you the best as my friend. Thank you. You're welcome. Just put a smiling face and stop calling me.
Ndogo kwenu. Kwenu. Rienu. Mono. Zono. We have seen everything you have brought for the marriage list. And everything is complete. Yes, I hereby call our daughter to come and take this drink and show us her husband.
No.
This is mine.
No, so that Mama will be coming. No, it is Nema. Now you will love me. You got like marriage is a thing of joy.
Go and show us who is your husband.
Come and give it to me. Come and give it to me. I love you. Okay, like you. I love it. Go so that I will have a place of this. You are not open a lot of the man. No. I don't know. Go, you let I'll be coming to visit you. Eh? Go, so that I will have a place that I will
half. Open your mouth. Open your mouth to bend, yeah. Bend it down.
Oh, wow.
You didn't need to look your leg again. I know you had respect and
I is the love.
I got that same far.
I is the love. That is good.
What's it with the baby horrible?
May the blessing of Almighty God
come down on you. May the blessing of marriage come down on you. All the days of your life. Una rola dinamo. Omo ihe ga-emenu ka anọkọta. Onwe ihe ga-emenu ka anọkọta. Gị na-emegide nwa m, ị ga-ahụ na ọ bere nwa azụ. Emegidekwala ya. Maka na ọ bụrụ na imegide ya, anyị ga-abịakwa ịkpọrọ nwa anyị. Ka ọ dị oge anyị. Lekọta anyị ofuma. Ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma.
Amala muane. Amala zone. Every him gagesi.
I think you will understand.